Everyone, we just got this pneumatic compressor, Makita brand, model MCA5200. Let's open it up. Here's what's inside, the manual, startup guide. I believe this is the oil. Yeah, compressor oil. And the compressor itself. This thing is heavy, it's like 70 pounds. Take it out, you fill the box where the wheel is and you slide it out. Let's see, there's nothing in this box. I thought there was something in this box. So, now you just tilt it down. There it is. Let's see if there's something in this box. Nothing in this box. There it is, brand new, spanking new. Bunch of tags. You're gonna read those tags before you start it. Alright, the maximum horsepower of this one is 3.0. Tank size is 5.2. CFM at 90 psi is 6.5. And the RPM is 3,420. Make sure you read all the warnings and that. So we're gonna fill this tank up, the oil up to the red dot with this oil that came with it. Alright, and you replace that cover with this cover. It says oil on it. Alright, so take the cap out and pour oil on it. In there, empty. Alright, we're adding oil. I don't know if the camera can see it, but it's on the red dot. So that should be good. Perfect. So this one is exactly on the red dot, the whole thing. So if you're gonna do it this, may as well take a picture of that number. That way you know the next time if you need to change the oil. Now replace the cap with this one. So here's another warning here that to fill the compressor oil to the red dot, otherwise you'll break it. So I'm gonna do a break-in now. I'm gonna run this for 20 minutes with the steam valve open over here. Leave that open. We're gonna run it for 20 minutes for break-in. Right, we're gonna start it with the valve open. Run it for 20 minutes. And this is how loud it is. And the manual here. 15 feet away, and that's how noisy it is from here. Right, so 20 feet away, this is the noise. if you wanna raise the PSI, you just adjust it. I'll keep at 60. So it goes all the way tank pressure to 140 before it stops automatically. And to move this around, just you can move this way. You can have the handle to put the hose over here. You can use either bulb to put the hose in. Let me get the hose. Yeah, it went down. Pressure went down. Yeah, because the hose is in there, duh. Alright, I'm gonna see what's the tank pressure before it turns on again. So this is it, the Makita MAC5200. I know the wire is supposed to go here, but I like it hanging like that, easier for me. Right, that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.